This is going to be kind of fun.
Yeah, well, and fun in what kind of way?
Well, depends on if you think that way or not.
Brothers Bistro. Recipes so simple, even a dude can make it.
Hi, I'm Skinny Kenny.
I'm Musclehead Kev, and we're the Klar brothers.
Welcome to Brothers Bistro.
Wow, what do we got tonight, bud?
We are cooking up a storm tonight, buddy.
I know, I feel like I've already cooked 3 recipes.
You know, well, Mother's Day is right around the corner, and what better to bring Mother breakfast in bed?
Wow, but it's Brothers Bistro style, right? We're not going to be flipping over omelets and doing all this.
No.
Right?
Big hug and a kiss, and that's it. You're done.
Yeah, well, our mom's birthday was just the other day. You probably didn't even bring her present.
I'm the one that remembered to remind you. Okay, so what we got today is egg, pepper, egg in a hole. Sounds
Pepper,
kind
egg,
of
yeah,
pornographic
pepper.
when you say it like that, doesn't it?
Wow.
It's not.
Okay, well, I think we're going to have a jicama in this one, which is a little bit of a different thing, right? And we're going to have some peppers, and we're going to have some other stuff, right? Egg,
Well, yeah,
cheese.
yeah. So yeah, it's gonna be kind of an interesting thing. We don't cook a lot of breakfast, so this is gonna be kind of fun. And if you're watching this, you're on YouTube. So make sure you hit the post notifications, turn on subscribe, and give us a big thumbs up. Well, we got a little work cut out for us, right?
Yeah. You started going through the recipe, and I started getting a little worried.
We've done 37.
What is this? What in the heck is this?
We're gonna walk through the whole thing. We've done 37 recipes. We can't just keep barbecuing chicken and beef.
We can't?
No. So this is egg in a hole. So we're gonna make each one of these into like 2 rings. We're gonna cut off the bottom, cut off the top, and then we're gonna make 2 rings out of that.
Right.
And we're gonna do that for each one of these 4 red.
I think
peppers.
I can handle that.
Okay. And we got jicama.
What?
It sounds like jicama.
It tastes like jicama?
It's jicama.
Gotcha.
And we're gonna grate some of this. We're gonna have a race. It's gonna be super fun.
Okay.
And we've got our product placements. Verde's roasted salsa verde. This is a tomatillo salsa, so that's why it's greenish.
Okay.
And that, I understand that is a Mexican tomato. Tomatillo is a Mexican tomato.
So then it looks like we got eggs, because each one of these little rings gets an egg in it.
That's right.
Right?
That's right.
And we got a little salt, we got a little pepper.
Exactly.
And then here's the verde.
Yeah, we got the Verde's already ready.
Oh, wait a second. We forgot our favorite part.
That's right. We got to cheese it up.
Cheesing it up.
Yeah. So when we come back, we're gonna kind of walk you through how to carve up one of these things,
Right.
and we might get a little our little race on with the
A little
jicama.
jiggy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here you go. Here's your bell pepper.
Thank you.
Okay,
What are
so
we
the
trying to
first
do
thing
here?
We're gonna make rings out of this thing. So
Rings?
The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the bottom off. Okay? Just enough so that it's flat.
Right. I'm going.
Ready?
I'm going.
And go.
Cut it off.
Now the next
Can I
thing
take
you're gonna
this
do.
stuff out?
Well, you're getting ahead of me. Hey, wait.
I got it out.
Okay, next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna cut the top off.
Okay, I was cutting the bottom off and then the top.
I know.
So I'm cutting the bottom
Okay.
off.
So, yeah, cut the bottom off. Cut the
Okay,
top.
I got it off.
You never do follow directions. now we're gonna cut that piece, this piece that we got. We're gonna cut this in half.
Ooh. I'm trying not
How'd
to
you do?
I'm trying not to break it.
Okay. And
But
now,
look, we got 2 rings.
I know. And
I
now
already
is when
took my stuff out.
I know.
I'm one
Now
step
is
ahead of you, buddy.
when you want to remove that stuff in there, and you might want to take a little knife and work around that because that's sour.
Nah, if you just take it out like I did, it turns out perfect. This has got me a little scared.
Oh, well, it should. Don't touch my jicama.
Okay.
All right, you ready? We're gonna shred now.
What's the plan? We're just
We're
shredding
just
into the
shredding.
bowl?
Yeah, we're just shredding.
Okay,
I'm actually
so
gonna
we got
shred
the jicama, we cut off all the skin, we could have peeled it, right? But we cut off the skin, we've cut it into half, so I got half, you got half. The hope is that
we got enough jicama
this
left.
is enough,
Yeah.
and that's enough to make it work. So we're gonna be shredding this thing up as you guys watch me kick his. Don't cook. Hey, you cheated! This is a little harder.
It is?
This one.
This is just complaining? Okay. I am down to the dough.
You are? You're down to the nub?
Yep. I'm having to rotate mine.
You are?
Yeah. It's that bad.
Okay. If they say it's not the size,
No, it's
how you rotate it.
It's how you, yeah. Yep. So there we go. Winner. Chicken dinner. Over here.
So if you're looking for a grater, the lesson here is don't get this little handheld
Here's the big one, yeah. I don't know who makes this bad boy, but, definitely invest in a good grater.
Okay, so the goal was we needed to come up with 2 cups. I think we got 2 cups here, no problem.
Boom. We got each of those 4 rings, or 8 rings, 4 piece, and we put a layer of cheese on the bottom.
It's a pretty thick layer. We like the cheese.
And that's gonna form the crust, kind of. And then we put a thin layer of the minced pepper.
Right.
And these
we got
are
the bell pepper ring, and we got the minced
That's
pepper
right.
in the middle.
And these are gonna go into the oven at 450 for 10 minutes, or until the cheese is melted, because that's what, like I said, is gonna form the crust. So,
Did you hear that?
Every time that happens.
the oven's heated up.
Oh, is that what it was?
It sounded like a freight train, but it was really just the oven.
And I thought it was
temperature.
gas.
It could be taken either way.
Yeah.
All right, we're going in the oven with
All
these
of
guys.
these, you open the oven.
10 minutes, you say, huh?
10 minutes, or until the cheese is melted.
All right, 10 minutes. We're going. 10 minutes. Did you hear that?
Yeah. It sounded like you passed gas again. Man.
That always surprises me. Sometimes it sounds like a railroad train. Sometimes it sounds like a steamboat.
It never surprises me.
Sometimes it sounds like it's flatulence coming out of you. You know, you never know. But I'm gonna get it out, okay?
All right, go get our recipe out. You know, this is our egg in a hole recipe without the egg. So wow, it's bubbling away, buddy.
You hear it sizzling?
Yeah. So now we're gonna crack our eggs. And we're gonna put an egg in every one. Try not to put any shells in there.
Is anything we do perfect?
Well, most of what I do is perfect, but. Okay. Now we're gonna salt and pepper a little bit. So here, you take the pepper and I'll take the salt.
What happens when you miss the pepper? The pepper with the pepper. Hey, you're in my way, bro. Whatever you do, don't
Too much salt.
Too much. Why did you put so much on it?
You're the one that measured the salt out.
Don't cook like my brother.
Oh, yeah.
You hearing
for
that?
Sure. Yeah.
Cheese?
Now, a little cheese on the top.
Yeah?
A little cheese on the top.
Okay, a little cheese, little cheese, little cheese.
And then they go back in the oven for 8 minutes. Give me the hot work. You're the fireman. What are you doing?
Put it in the oven. Come on.
All right, baby. Here it comes.
All right, and I'll push the timer, and we'll be ready to go.
Okay, did you hear that?
What? Oh, yeah. Now you hear it. Okay. Yeah, I hear it.
How did our creation work?
Well, okay. Hang on. Here it comes.
So you can see that a couple of these, the ring was actually too big for the egg. The egg actually overflowed a little bit.
The ring was too small.
Yeah,
For
sorry.
the egg and all the sauce.
Yeah,
right?
what he said. So we're gonna try and pick a couple of the better looking ones.
I like this one.
Okay. Good luck. Wow, that came off okay. Here, let me help you.
Says she.
Nice. Okay, let's get this one.
All right.
You got it. Woo!
All right.
Winner. It smells wonderful. We forgot to tell them we combined the jicama and the tomatillo salsa.
Yeah, see it right there?
And a little bit of the red pepper.
You can
And
see
that was what the base was. That's what
Yeah.
we pulled this out and put it on. And it smells amazing. And the egg is pretty well cooked. It's kind of like a soft boiled egg.
It's a little hot.
Mine's a little salty. I think my brother got a little slap happy with the salt, but
No, last I checked, you had the salt. I had the pepper. That's good though. It was good. It's a little poached egg in the bell pepper. What do they call that? Egg in a hole.
yeah, pepper, egg in a hole. So if you try this, let us know how it goes. It's wonderful.
Right. It wasn't bad, but there was more steps than what the
It's definitely a
Bistro
little
Brothers
bit
are
more
used to.
complicated than the normal Brothers Bistro
But
recipe. So
pretty good.
proceed with caution. That's all I'm saying.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right. So with that, Brothers Bistro out.